Now, the Japanese kickboxer Tenshin Nasukawa has accepted Conor McGregor's challenge for another exhibition fight in Tokyo. Nasukawa was beaten by Floyd Mayweather in a boxing bout on New Year's Eve. The unbeaten boxer dropped the 20-year-old 3 times before his corner threw in the towel. McGregor challenged him by saying, "I wish to go to Tokyo to face Tenshin Nasukawa in a mixed martial arts exhibition bout. Before this summer, please arrange this instant. Yours sincerely, the champ." He got a response and he said he would fight McGregor, but only on his terms. He said, "Dear Mr. McGregor, thank you very much for remembering my name. I'm honoured that you would even consider fighting me. 58 kgs, kickboxing rules would probably get us in the ring sometime in the very near future."
Gotta give credit to Nasukawa for, like, people criticise, Floyd Mayweather always seeing the dollar signs in his eyes and Conor McGregor always seeing the dollar signs in his eyes. This guy Nasukawa has managed to set up fights with Floyd Mayweather and Conor McGregor and now wants to do it on his own terms.
Like one of the most famous boxers on the planet and the most famous MMA fighter in history, and he's going to fight both of them.
Nasukawa deserves to be world champion at hustling.
Absolutely.
Did the Mayweather thing happen?
Yeah. He got knocked out, like, instantly.
How? Well, like...
Boxed.
I thought the Mayweather thing wasn't going to happen.
No, he went into it, initially said that he didn't know it was going to be a fight. He thought it was just a joke thing for a couple of billionaires and they'd all get a few million for dancing around the ring. Then he realised he will get a few million for dancing around the ring, so agreed to it in the end, after pulling out.
And was the footage any good?
I didn't actually watch it, but I saw some photos that kind of stopped me from even watching it. Yeah, like last week.
Oh, right, okay. So I had better things to be doing than watching that prick Mayweather. So I don't feel too guilty about it.
Well, you know, speak for yourself. Some of us don't have better things to do.
You didn't see it though.
I read fight reports, which is even worse.